Very smart raven. Sometimes he'll take and stack up all the pieces and carry them in one load. Let's see if he does it. Yep, here he goes. Right there. Stack up each one. Just stack it up. Well, quite a bit of a load. They're definitely smarter than the average bird. They've been known to be seen using tools. He's got to be very cautious. Neighbors sometimes chase him, the little kid. And he has a bad wing. He can't fly very far. Bird, come on, get to rest. Come on, bird. He should come up and get the rest or walk away with him now. I'll pick him up again. 1, 2, and 3. And now he'll walk away. Let's see if he stops and eat them. Yep, there it goes. Must be more hungry than normal. You can see how skinny he is. He got no chest area. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. Everybody like and subscribe. And you have a good day.